Right. It's a question of CAT 2018, slot 1. A CAT aspirant appears for a certain number of tests. How many tests? That's not given. Let's assume that there are n tests. His average score increases by 1. Okay. Let's assume that the initial average is K. So in these n tests, he is going to score at the rate of K marks each. So the total will become NK. Then his average score increases by 1 if the first 10 tests are not considered. Okay. First 10 tests. And if you read this line, if average score for the first 10 and the last 10 is 20 and 30, that means in the first 10 tests, he's going to score at the rate of 20. So the score which he'll obtain in the first 10 tests will be 10 into 20, that is 200. And out of this NK, if you don't consider these 200 marks, the number of tests left will be N minus 10. And this new average is given equal to, it increases by 1. That means it will be K plus 1. Yes or no? When you simplify this equation, you'll cross multiply this N minus 10 with this K plus 1. I can see NK here and I'll get NK here also. After simplification, what I'm going to get here, N minus this 10 into K will give you 10K, and this is 200, this is 10, so I'll get plus 190 here. This is equation number 1 form. Yes or no? What's the next case? If the last 10 tests are not considered, so NK minus, what's the score obtained by him in the last 10? The average for the last 10 is given equal to 30, so he must have got 300 marks here. I don't have to consider them. So the remaining test will be N minus N. Now the average decreases by 1. So it should become K minus 1. When you simplify this again, you get N plus 10K, this 300 and this is 10. It becomes minus 310. When you add these two equations, what do we get? N plus N will give you 2N. 10K, 10K gets cancelled out. You get minus 120. So what's the value of N? You get 60 here. So the total number of tests taken by him will become how much? 60.